Yes. I know.
That's the video bag.
I know, but I like to put them in little bags.
Let's finish it and get dressed.
Now we can just see him.
Yeah, we see him.
He's looking out with me. Humpty Dumpty sat in the hall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
All
The king's horses and all the king's men and all the king's people couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again.
Hooray! Should I your teddy?
The Horrors in Texas and a man from Laramie invited Davy Crockett to have a cup of tea. The tea was so delicious they had another cup and left poor Davy Crockett to do the washing up. Thank you. That was the Yellow Rose of Texas. Now, Yankee Doodle Dandy. I'm a Yankee Doodle Dandy, a Yankee Doodle do or die. A real live nephew of my Uncle Sam's, born on the 4th of July.
Any actors?
I've a Yankee Doodle sweetheart, she's my Yankee Doodle joy. Yankee Doodle came to London just to ride the ponies. I am that Yankee Doodle boy.
Right.
Come on.
Come on, boy.
Don't let your children get the better of you.
There. See Michael's filming, Mummy?
3 in the bed.
Come on, should we sing a song,
One,
Claire? What?
3 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. And they all rolled over and one fell out. Please
Don't come any closer, it won't work.
to tie a knot in your pyjamas. Single beds are only made for 3,
Sing.
2, 1.
Well, that was very good.
Staying here behind?
No! Francine, I'm going to Ryan Grandpa's and I'm going fishing right now. No! Yeah! No! Yeah! No! Yeah! No! Yeah! No! Yes! Yeah!
What do you want for your picnic?
The sun has got his hat on and he's coming out to play. Let us all be happy, let us all be gay. The sun has got his hat on and he's coming out today.
Give Dad a big smile.
Daddy!
Yeah?
The fishy rods can't go!
Off you go, Claire.
I got a sandwich! It's bouncing!
Because for what she is about to do for you, I can tell you the movie falls beyond the call of duty and has been completely refurbished. A very nostalgic style kit. If this is the very first version you ever see, this furnace will into your mind being a solar flare. So don't give it a complete display, a little bit of that mnemonic.
This is Michael Tomsett from Cumbernauld Air. Now, over there's toilets and over there's a fair. And there's a wee grass hill over there. That's the runway over there where all the planes. And we've been seeing some planes. Now over to some more planes.
Anywhere in the world. Based up here, based at Lucas, and here it is, it's back up.
Someone drink my coke! Someone drink it!
And look, he promised to actually, he promised to take photos of me trying on my clothes, and he didn't bother doing that. And now that I've got them all off and I'm in my pyjamas, he's taking me now. He got this on Saturday, so we've had films of the fishing. He brought rods back from America for the. They were folded up. I know. Oh, he carried a carrier. It wasn't even with handles. A carrier with these two rods in them. They were folded up. I mean, it was just you had to dismantle them, but I mean, they were still sticking out the top of this bag. As you say, he wouldn't take a baby chair down to London. However, they were over the moon, and Christopher, of course, I've seen the film of the fishing. I haven't been fishing, of course, so I've seen a film of it now. Christopher, it's good. Christopher cast in a wee good style, you know. And Claire puts the maggots on. Here, Claire puts the maggots on.
Right, you got nothing to see.
It's black and white.
You've not intended to. Everybody else has got to sit there like chumps. Ireland. That's it.
Something now.
It's because you keep pressing it
Oh, I
again.
see. Oh, I thought I had to hold
Right,
it.
no, you just press it to commence. Oh, David! Oh.
He's beaten us to it.
Especially for the dentist for a couple of years.
Is everybody eating?
Yeah, thanks.
What are you doing, Christopher? And here we see the property at 15 Keats Way, a large Georgian property. The in-period conservatory attached to the rear of the house, and the smart double glazed window units fitted by the householder. Now we're in the kitchen of the establishment, where a lot of activity is taking place. Here we see the frying pan. And zoom in, oh yes. Onto the plate and under the grill. And here we see the daughter-in-law of the house beavering away at the ironing board.
Sausages! Camcorder! Dad hasn't got a sausage. Dad's got a camcorder!
It's a heavy little thing, isn't it? Yeah. Give Nanny a wee smile. It's a nice thing. Thank you so much, darling. I've not seen her before.
Oh, dee.
And as the latest cousin to the Tomsett, baby Eleanor Tomsett is just meeting her cousin.
This is my daughter. Thought I ought to be in the picture, really.
Stop the camera.
I had lots of pretzels.
You what?
Think Luke wants to be on the telly?
Dad, film it!
No!
Dad, film it, Maggie!
Hello.
Your candy can.
Got you now. Come on, be really horrible.
Come on, everybody! Your daughter's ears have grown.
Keep your hands off her if that's the only kind of behaviour.
Right, off you go.
Julian Mark, Apache, K-I-S-S-I-M-G. First came up and thinking married, thinking maybe in a golden carriage.
I can tell you this one. Yes, Papa.
Right stuff. And whoa, whoa, hanging tough. Whoa, hanging tough. Right stuff.
Yay, well done.
It
There's Kelly, it's new kids on the block.
Good.
Jessica. That's it. What have you got?
Hi.
Ready?
Leaving the crossing port, setting off for the port of Arran Holiday. That is also the capital of Arran, and we shall be there in approximately 1 hour. This is Michael Tomsett signing off.
Oh, look, don't take me from the side. My belly protrudes rather too much. Where is it?
Who's got it now?
Don't you get away from it.
Here we go.
Two girls.
The two girls, eh?
I'm holding on to everything back here.
Right, come on, drive a bit.
This one's easy.
It's hard.
Careful. That's right. Come here.
Oh my.
Just itching, cruising for trouble, thinking what can I get up to next.
Right, here you are, right, Ruth. Last turn and then you go run up. Drop down.
That last turn. Clear off.
The steering wheel. Got to try to pull it.
Give us a wave, Ruth.
Daddy, let's get a pack of beer. What's it?
No, hold on, this is your own.
Uncle Dave, would you put me on that spinner first?
Yeah.
What? Yes, she is.
Which do you want?
Hello, Jessica.
Right,
Hello.
don't get in the pathway, I thought go until you walk down. Yes. Do you want a drink?
This is Rabbit Cather.
Good.
Oh, not you, we're sick of seeing you. Ooh.
So I mean, just ignore that. They obviously they don't write that one. I'll write that on the next one.
Right.
But Margaresh, now the top road is runs sort of like this. Margaresh is up there, and you know the road up to Black Loch is up past this.
But there used to be a walk up through the trees to the Black Loch. Now it was, you came off the high road and then went up the river. Is that the walk there?
He's laughing at us.
What strikes a bell to make it ring?
Oh, in case Antoinette refuses, I better change it.
Oh, that's good.
Is there?
Yes, just in the middle.
Yes, there.
Oh, what's a bug? There's no right. The weather will rot it and bugs will eat it.
Well, what did Uncle Dave? Can I see? Did Mum show you that apple that was in there? No, but I'm not.
Yeah, of course you can. It is, isn't it? Don't! What did you do that for, Christopher?
She's a pig. Doing.
Call him.
Rosie! Rosie! Come on, son! Come on, wee boy!
Wee boy. A wee baby boy.
Rosie! Oh, I think you're digging deep, aren't you?
Christmas.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's one down the bottom there. See? Mexican tea.
But I mean, what I used to do was, I mean, because we've had about 3 or 4 different videos now. Get that away for you.
Is that one night?
I just used to sit for maybe about half an hour.
You don't know, he hears yes, yes,
I've got that film with me.
Oh,
as I say, I used to just take time when, you know, a couple of days after we'd got it or something like that, take about half an hour, the book, and just figure it all out how to do it.
That's probably what I'll
reset the time and everything. Mind you, in saying that weekend we went to Galloway. Look again at that.
You better get Grandpa on.
Well, his is quite different from mine. I mean, I doubt if I could set a video in his house.
I bet if you had the manual,
aye.
You know, you understand the lingo.
You understand the principles.
You understand the lingo. The thing is, when you have your first one, the hard thing is to know what they mean by such and such an item.
Off, and the same applies to every
video. Except those ones with the barcode. Do you fancy that? You just stroke the pen.
Oh aye. You need to buy the Radio Times.
No pictures.
Carl, you need to get the Radio Times then.
Here we are at Cloyburn Riding Stables, and we are now going to proceed with some riding. Hello!
Here we are passing the time until the horses come back. And Christian names, Catherine. I booked under Christian names.
Christian names?
Yeah.
So what, you've got Maureen? No. Granny?
There she goes, there she goes, there she goes. There she goes, there she goes, there she goes.
10 minutes and then turn round and brought her back. You know, with you actually been here.
There she is, causing trouble again. It's going now. Okay. Can you see the horse?
No.
Well, you've not got it up to your eye right now. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Right, so you can do that and go in closer. And then like that and go out wider. Okay?
Is your hat alright, Ruth?
Doesn't feel right.
Well, if it's size 1, that's what you have to have. It just maybe means you need a strap adjusting.
I've done that, Mum. It's all right.
Mommy, can I shove that little for me?
Not just now, Ruth.
Lean forward. Lean forward. This and that. Well done, you got it quite right well. I just see them.
Right, there you are. We'll go and take the hat back.
From those two.
The horse could trip over the gate. Second it's very dangerous.
Got lost here a bit. Where's Katie going?
She's facing the wrong direction.
Here she comes, Taylor and Charlie. Ta-ta! Have fun.
Right, okay, you should be okay in your own house.
Right, bye.
Bye. And off they go.
Go back.
want to film
Aye, then.
smiling.
Jessie.
Look, there's that other camper. I was saying.
Mom, is this okay? Mom, is this okay?
No, it's fine.
Can I get in the car?
No.
Why? Why, Mum? Why? Why? Then come here. This is yours. Okay, we are. Fish. Jolly. And the rest is platform songs. Mike! Mom! Someone's here. Mike! Mom, that's all the bunnies. Kids. Mom! Get these two stones out the way. I put that out a whole big bundle.